In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily incorporate pictures into your emails using Outlook. Whether you're crafting a brand new email or simply responding to one already in your inbox, adding images can make your messages more engaging and informative. Let's dive right into the process to enhance your emailing experience. First, if you're composing a new email or replying to an existing one, you'll want to ensure that you're in the right mode. Open up Outlook and create a new email or hit reply on the message you're responding to. Once you've got your email window open, it's important to decide exactly where you want your image to appear within the body of your message. Simply click your mouse at the spot where you're envisioning your image. This ensures that when you insert your picture, it will land precisely where you intend it to be, fitting seamlessly with your text. Next, with your cursor set where you want the image, let's move on to the insertion process. Look at the toolbar along the top of your email window and find the Insert tab. Click this and you'll see a variety of options for inserting different types of content. Here, we're interested specifically in adding a picture, so move ahead and focus on this option. You'll notice two main choices, this device and online pictures. Selecting this device will allow you to browse through and pick an image directly from your computer's files. If you choose online pictures, you'll have the option to search and select images from online sources or cloud storage. Whichever works best for your situation, go ahead and click that option. Now that you've made your choice, you'll be prompted to select the image you're eager to share. This is your chance to pick an image that suits the message you're trying to convey. From browsing through your files or searching online, once you've located the perfect picture, click on it to select it. Then click the Insert button. This action will place your chosen image into the body of your email exactly where your cursor is positioned. After the image has been inserted, sometimes you'll want to make a few adjustments to ensure it fits well with the overall design and content of your email. You can resize the image by clicking on it and dragging the corners until it's just the right size. This is especially useful for making sure your image isn't too overwhelming or small for your email content. Additionally, you might consider formatting options like adding borders, adjusting the alignment, or applying styles to match your email's theme. And there you have it, a simple, clear way to add pictures to your Outlook emails with just a few clicks. I hope this guide helps you create more visually engaging messages that capture your readers' attention. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time for more helpful Outlook tips.